In Turkey, individuals who provide authorities with specific documents can support themselves and do not pose a threat can obtain a residence permit. There are no additional or particularly complex conditions. Plenty of advantages to having a residence permit. In this video, Tolerance Homes Company talks about one of the pleasant advantages of having a Turkish residence permit card. It seems that the only real estate agency in Antalya that provides clients with a lawyer for communication with immigration authorities for free. All the advantages of having a Turkish residence permit can be seen in the big video at this link. And now let's talk about the advantage that makes you mobile, your movement convenient, and the recognition of the beauty of Turkey pleasant. This is managing your own vehicle. Without a residence permit, you're either a tourist or an illegal immigrant. No cars for you, except the expensive rented one. After getting a residence permit, a foreigner can drive their own car with foreign license plates for a period of 2 years. The car cannot be here for any extra day beyond this deadline. Selling it in Turkey will be a problem. Customs clearance is costly, thus after 2 years a regular car is exported to the home country. If you have a residence permit, you can buy a car in Turkey. I know it's expensive, but it's convenient. Many of our compatriots who live in Turkey constantly buy cars. Tolerance Home will even be able to help its client with this so that he is not deceived. But without a residence permit or citizenship, you cannot buy a car in Turkey. What about driver's license? Foreign driver's licenses are valid in Turkey for 6 months. After that, you can leave and re-enter Turkey. Then the term will reset. You can repeat this process multiple times. Without a residence permit, no one will allow your return to Turkey. Exchange foreign driving license for Turkish one if you have residence permit. No difficulty if you have residence permit, can exchange easily. You need to contact the Registration and Transport Office, show your driver's license and residence permit card, write an application and pay the state fee. Then you will have to wait until the government agency in your homeland responds to the Turkish request. And then you will be invited to the office again. They will take the old card and send it to your country, and you will be issued a new Turkish one. Finally, a few regulations for owners of foreign vehicles in Turkey. Nobody is allowed to operate the vehicle except for the owner, and the closest family, even in the presence of the owner. Powers of attorney are not valid in Turkey. Right after getting a residence permit, you must go to customs, present the car documents, and they'll stamp the allowed stay period for the car in the country. If you depart from Turkey during this period, you must notify customs authorities. Where will the car be parked at this time? Otherwise, there will be a large fine. While you are not here, no one can drive the car at all. If you leave Turkey by car, then you can only re-enter it back after a period of 185 days, and the owner of the car should not be present in Turkey during this time. Details about everything related to cars of foreigners in Turkey, gas stations, services, insurance, auto parts, we are preparing a separate video. Get updates on the channel. Residence permit in Turkey offers opportunities for foreigners. We mentioned only one or two, but in the video at this link you'll find more advantages of having a Turkish residence permit. To find your place in the sun and get a residence permit, Tolerance Homes Real Estate Agency can help. A huge database of objects is available at any budget on the agency's website. Questions are welcome in the comments and at this phone number. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss new videos about life in Turkey on the channel Life in Turkey.